Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. I'm going to do something a little different. Here is my subject, 18 by 24. She's quite a little bigger than what I'm used to working with. And I drew her on, and I'm going to use some gel prints that I've done in the past to decorate her. And I'm using pieces, these gel pieces for her headpiece, and these pieces here will be mixed for the background around her. And then I have these two pieces to make necklace beads for her. And so this is another option for using your prints. As you know, I always want to find legitimate ways to use my prints, turning them into art pieces. And so I have a large subject here, but you can use fruit, draw fruit, large pieces of fruit. You can get free diagrams that you find on Pinterest sometimes, things that you can trace onto paper and then use your gel prints to design something. So it's quite simple. This is mixed media paper, 18 by 24. And so I'm going to see how this comes out. Just another option of using my prints. Well, she's pretty big, but she's done. I didn't want to bore you with all of the pasting. As you can see, I use my Posca Pens to embellish the earrings, the necklace, and the headpiece. And so there you have it. There are different ways to use the gel prints to make nice collage art, nice pieces. And I know that I probably would put a black mat around this and frame it. And so it's something you may want to try. You don't have to do something that's 18 by 24 like what I did. It was pretty large, but I was curious as to how these gel prints, these were the ones that caught my eye, and I was curious about how to set them up and how it would come out. So you can do something 8 by 10 or larger. You can get trace out something from a magazine or trace out shapes. You could do animals, you can do so many different things just to utilize your gel prints, making them come alive in some type of form. And so this was enjoyable. My hands were layers and layers of glue that I had to wash off, but enjoyable. And I didn't focus on how, usually when I do collage work I tear the pieces. This time I just cut them, and it didn't matter how they were being cut. My focus was coordinating the colors and making the print stand out. So that was my focus. Not so much on how I apply them. I just cut them and just paste them. But my focus was just coordinating the colors and the patterns. And these gel prints were all done on rice paper. So I use the rice paper ones. They lay down and glue flat and nicely. And so you might want to try something like that. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep doing art.